division word problems. There are many, many division word problems. And I'd like us to take a look at this loading dock. If the loading dock charged $7,350 to load 210 containers onto the ship, what is the cost to load one container? Let's do the math. For 210 containers, it costs $7,350. So to find the cost of one, we have to divide $7,350, divide that by 210. Again, remember, when you have zeros on both ends, we could just cross off the zeros. 21 goes into 73. Looks like 3 times 21 times 3 equals 363. So put the answer right above this here, 3. So 63, 0, 1. Bring down the 5. How many 21s go into 105? 21. Looks like 5 times. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. And I say it looks like because if this number is ever larger, then you have to go make it lower. And if it's too low, if this number here is larger, then you have to bring the number up higher. So you do the math on the side. So it goes in 5 times. Should put the minus over here too. So it costs $35 to load one container. Fireman Domingo Montalvo was giving a math example about putting a fire out of a 3-story building. We're going to go into the middle of his problem solving. I want you to notice what he does when he divides with numbers having zeros. So let's look at that video.
In order to get that type of gallon per minute, 30,000, you divide that by 2,000 and you mark out 3 zeros. So 2 to 30 will be 15. So you would need 15 pumpers that could pump 2,000 gallons a minute in order to put this fire out.
Now notice, he is dividing 30,000 by 2,000. And in dividing with zeros like this has 3 zeros, and all you have to do is remove 3 zeros over here also, then 2 goes into 30 15 times. And the answer is 15. Now if you want to test it, we could do 2,000 times 15. All right, 5 times 0 is 0, 0, 0, 10. And that's 2,000. Just add these up. 0, 0, 0, 0, 3. So notice all you have to do then, if the divisor has zeros on it and the dividend has zeros, you can remove these zeros in the divisor, the same amount in the dividend, and you see it's a very simple way of doing division then.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.